Hi and welcome to the Learn French Easily channel. In this video, we'll study the pronouncing of the letters EM when they are next to each other in a word. So let's look at the rules, which are very simple to understand. If the letters EM are followed by a consonant, they're pronounced en, not an, not am, but en. It is a nasal sound, en. And here are some examples. Le décembre, embarrassé, empêché, embêtant. Le membre, longtemps. Ressemblance, sembler. But watch out. There is an exception. If the letters EM are followed by another M, or in other words, if we have EMM together in a word, they're pronounced not on, but am. This time it isn't a nasal sound. Now let's go through some examples. Apparemment, amener, la femme, prudemment, récemment, violemment, améler, précédemment, ardemment. We've come to the third rule. If the EM are followed by a vowel, then each letter is pronounced separately. So the letter M is pronounced M, and the letter E can be E, or it is mute. It is pronounced if it is in the first syllable of a word, at the beginning of a word. It is mute if it is in the middle of a word between two consonants, and it can be pronounced E if it is followed by two consonants. And now let's get to practicing. Allemand, autrement, certainement. Largement, le gouvernement, lentement. Le vêtement, tellement, seulement. Now let's sum up what we've learned. If the letters EM are followed by a consonant, they're pronounced en. Membre, sembler. If they're followed by a vowel, then each letter is pronounced separately. Allemand, lentement. If the EM occur together in a word, they're pronounced am. Précédemment. So we come to the end of this topic. I hope this video was funny and useful. Till the next lesson, just keep on practicing. Have a nice day and I hope see you soon. À bientôt.